Hello, I'm Barbara Levin, and today I am joined together with attorney Robert Heil, who will present Nurses and COVID, Employment Law. Attorney Heil is joining Patricia Iyer and I for our third virtual Legal Nurse Success Conference. Please mark your calendars for March 4, 5, 6, 2021. Attorney Heil is a Texas plaintiff attorney who represents nurses in employment-related lawsuits. Attorney Heil has years of courtroom and trial experience and is very passionate about fighting for justice and helping others. Welcome, Attorney Heil.
Thank you, Barbara. Thank you for having me today. It's an honor to be here, and we're looking forward to helping a lot of people.
Could you share briefly with our audience some of the topics that you'll be covering with regard to nurses and COVID, employment law?
Sure. We're in a very dynamic area right now, a piece of history that I think is going to be written about the time that we're in with the rapid advancement of COVID-19 and all the issues around it. We're in a phase of history where there is just things changing all the time, and we're also encountering issues that have never come up before. So part of what we're seeing a lot, I practice in the area of employment and labor law, and also I do a lot of plaintiffs work. We're seeing that a lot of these providers and hospitals have failed to provide PPE, adequate PPE to safeguard the nurses. It's put the patients at risk and the nurses. And we're seeing also a lot of issues with nurses who are not able to basically continue work due to health problems once they contract COVID. And so we're seeing a lot of contract issues and termination issues, wrongful termination. So we're in this area where we're having to figure out a new frontier. COVID has changed all the rules, and we're exploring areas that no one has looked at before. And we're helping nurses and patients across the country to become more aware of their rights and to address those PPE, hospital negligence, health provider negligence issues, as well as wrongful termination. So we're going to be talking about that, and we're very excited to give a presentation on that information coming up in March.
Now, I understand that you'll also be talking about opportunities for legal nurses nationwide who could participate with you on this venture.
Yes, we were just talking about the Trial Lawyers College, and I've got a picture of the barn behind me. It's the Jerry Spence Trial Lawyers College in Wyoming. I'm here in Texas, but we do have a lot of network around the country of trial lawyers who are very successful plaintiffs attorneys. They fight for the voiceless, the powerless, the injured, the oppressed. And we have the privilege of being able to help people who are injured in very serious catastrophic cases where their health has been compromised, where there has been negligence. And so Joe Flores and I work together a lot on these types of cases, and we do have a great network across the country of lawyers that we have the honor of working with. And so there's opportunities that we're going to try to share to be helpful on medical records review, preparing chronologies, and tying in nurses, FMPs, RNs, even medical assistants, to try to see if we can help pair them up with some law firms and attorneys that may be working on those important cases.
Thank you. So if you are interested in joining our LNC Success Conference and you'd like to meet Mr. Heil and hear about future opportunities, please join us on March 4, 5, 6. Please see the link below, lnc.tips/March 2021 virtual. We look forward to seeing you.